So the next database that we're going to talk about in our library getting started videos is eLibrary. Now, eLibrary I think is my favorite database. I think the content is a little deeper. So usually we start with Galen context, then we move on to eLibrary. eLibrary is a great resource because we have both eLibrary and Search Discover. It totally depends on what you're looking for. I'm going to talk about both of them today. So we'll start with eLibrary because that's the first link. So it knew that I was logged into Google, so you saw that screen pop up and now it says log out. It knows that I am logged in now to Google. So I'm going to do my search for cats. And just like our other database, it has features here that show you how to get started on a topic. So if I click on my getting started, it has an intro article, it has images, it has popular articles, and then it has related topics. So if I go into my getting started article, I can see that it is a encyclopedia, and that's a really good place to get started. I can save this document to the cloud, can save it in Google Drive. And just like the other one, it'll show up in a folder in Drive. I can do cite, and here is my citation, and it's ready to be used in Noodle Tools. Other things that it does, it suggests other types of articles. Sometimes these are on point, sometimes like this particular one, these are not related. So you have to be a little aware of what you are clicking on. So there's my article, and it will export. It doesn't have all those features of highlighting like Gale Research and Context does. So that's our getting started on the basics of using eLibrary. I'm going to flip over to Search Discover, which is pretty similar to eLibrary. The content is just set up a little different. So it's going to log me in automatically again, and I'm going to do my cat search. There are my domestic cats. There's my intro to the article, and then it gives me images. The thing that makes this one really nice when it has a prepackaged research topic like cats as my example, it gives me the basic information, the stuff I need to know on my front page. So this is a good place to start. You can send this document to the cloud, send it to Google Drive just like you would any other. So Search Discover is a little bit more like straight to the point, whereas eLibrary will give you a whole range of topics. So those are our Proquest databases, and they are a great place to get started when you are doing research.